Disassemble of the starter. From the beginner, it's necessary to untwist the contacts. The cable from the battery is connected here, and here from the ignition key. Then the voltage is transformed to this contact. The plate inside the relay is pulled in and close the contacts, and the voltage across the wires fall into the starter motors. There are different ways. Some they immediately take off the case, others have another. In this case, you need to unscrew these 3 screws. Let's go. Remove the cover. There we have 2 bolts. Untwist all of them. Then remove the case. It's a starter rotor. It's a brush assembly. There are brushes on which the voltage is applied, and from them it's already transferred to the rotor, which causes it to rotate. Now we need to disassemble the relay. This relay. Need to unscrew these screws. Remove retractor relay. This one, and unfasten the plaque. This. But first you need to untwist these screws. Remove the plaque. In order to replace the bendex, this is its gear, you need to knock out the lock ring, change to the new bendex. Like that. The starter assembly is carried out in the reverse order. That's all to work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like.